I'm about to show you a trading strategy that completely changes the game. You can trade at any given moment. For anybody working a regular job while also learning trading. Because I've been there myself. Before I became a multiple six-figure fund and prop firm trader with the leading prop firms of this industry, I had to juggle a job while also trying to learn trading. So after years of testing, winning, and refining my approach, I finally found something that works at any given moment. And by the end of this video, you will realize that this was the last missing piece of your trading journey. Okay, so let's dive in. Today you will learn one proven strategy that you can trade every single day. And you can also trade the strategy at any given moment in time. Because I've been there myself, I know how hard it is for somebody working a regular job while also learning how to trade, to juggle those two things. You can trade it at any market, it works for futures, Forex, and crypto. And by the end of this video, there will be no more guesswork. Let the strategy make the decisions for you. Now, with this strategy, you only need to look out for two key things. Now bear with me, I know you want to see the strategy, but you have to understand this. These two levels work hand in hand. So if you only master one of them, but the other one is missed, you will fail and jump to a new strategy. So straight into the chart, we need to understand a very effective, proven, powerful, but also simple concept. And the strategy is extremely simple. You mark out two swing lows or swing highs that are relatively equal close to each other. That is basically what the strategy is all about. It tells you where the price is going to go next. It's literally that simple. But drawing out straight lines from one point to another is not going to cut it. And more importantly, it's not going to make you money, because that at the end of the day is the most important thing about trading. Although I have just shown you what the strategy is about, there's more into it. I will go over every single step there is. So there's no chance for you to fail at this. And in case you still have questions by the end of this video, you're welcome to join my free Discord in the description. Okay, so the very first step is marking out key levels. This is stupid simple, but if you mess this up, nothing else will work. Before we are marking out key levels, we have to choose the right time frame. The right time frame is chosen by going onto TradingView and selecting the 1 hour icon. That is going to be the only time frame that you will need. So the very first step when you open the charts is mark out the easiest lows and highs that are close to each other. Mark out the swing lows that are close to each other. Draw a line from the left to the right, extend it, and you have relative equal lows. Price will always return back into those areas of interest. But you also have to understand the strategy, not just trade it. So why does it work to begin with? These areas are strong magnets to the market. As you can see, there's a bunch of liquidity residing down there, stop losses of other traders who thought that this is going to be support. Because let's be honest, we all have been there. We thought that this is going to be support and it's going to hold. But the next thing that happens is we try to trade it, and our stop loss gets hit, and our take profit will never be reached. Now, this is the concept of the entire strategy. Basically, we're only halfway done, because how do we actually enter the trade? Everybody can draw straight lines from one point to the other, right? That is exactly why you have to combine it with the next key level. Now, if we look into it a little bit closer, we have a fair value gap in here. If you don't know what that is when three candles create a gap right in between the middle one. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third. And there's a gap right in between. This could have been used as your first entry, but the market doesn't really always give you the opportunity to trade right at that moment in time. Now, due to the benefit that you can trade the strategy at any given time, it doesn't really matter where you're going to enter. This signal is so strong with the relative equal lows that we know it's going to go there first. So it's okay if you miss the first opportunity right in here, because as you can see, the trade still unfolded even though we were kind of late to the party. This is one of my personal journals that I'm using with my 100K account. The prop firm that I'm using is down in the description. And as you can see, I generated over 5K with this strategy over 3 months of trading. Although this is just a fraction of what I have entirely made with this strategy, because this is just one account that literally takes me 15 minutes a day. And you can see the stats right in here. And I'm also including the losses, because you can win them all. And if you want to have a 10% discount on a journal that I'm using, the code is STARTTrading, or you can also click the link in the description. Let me quickly introduce you to low risk to reward, because most people have a high risk to reward, but their win rate is very low. Thing with my trading is, yes, I lose more initially, but over time, I'm making so many wins because of the high win rate that overall I'm in a net profit at the end of the month. And here's by far the most overlooked part of any trading strategy. Step 3. Rules, never try to bend them. Now, I showed you how to spot the setup and also how to trade it the right way. However, if you violate or change just one of these rules that I'm about to give you, you might as well just click off the video right now. So the first rule, don't trade the first 3 days of the month. And that is explained very easy. As you can see, it's a September 2025. We don't trade the first 3 days of the month. All of these 3 days are not valid. You will lose in these 3 days, I guarantee you that. But how can I be so confident knowing that? From thousands of hours backtesting this strategy, this is what's going to happen. You're going to lose. The reason for that is because the first 3 days of the month usually end up going in one direction and one direction only. For this strategy, you would rather have a calm market, so it's not worth the risk. Keep your hands down, go on with your day, spend time with your family, and don't trade. Here's the next thing. Never trade NFP or bank holidays. How do I know what NFP and bank holidays are? For that, you have to go to forexfactory.com and click on the calendar icon right in here. Now, I want you to click on this little filter icon right in here. And I want you to deselect the orange and the yellow one. Click on apply filter. The Thursday, September 4th, we had ADP non-farm employment change. This is the NFP day that I'm talking about. However, additionally, if that wasn't enough, we also have a bank holiday at the 1st September. So you see, it not only aligns with my backtesting, but also with the official news calendar. So please avoid these days. Although I'm keeping it extremely simple, I'm sure you have a bunch of questions that you would like to ask me now. That is exactly why my Discord is free to join. The link is in the description down below. And since you have made it to the end, you might as well like the video and also subscribe to the channel.